Okay, so you guys are doing really well so far. So I just want to go over the expectations with all of you. Does anyone remember any of them that we learned before? Yes.
Listen to each other's answers.
Listen to each other's answers. Julie, did you have one?
I had the same answer as Chloe.
Okay. Alyssa?
Expand on what other people are saying.
Expand on what other people are saying. And one more.
Explain your own answers.
Explain your own answers, exactly. So everyone remember to do their silent thumbs. Yes, good job. Okay, so we are going to start with the next two cards. So I'm going to hold them up. Hopefully I won't shake. And just let me know what you guys see. Show a silent thumb when you are ready.
Silent thumb?
I'm shaking.
I can see.
Everyone ready? Everyone have their silent thumb up? Okay. So how many did you guys see? Does anyone want to share their answer?
10.
You saw 10?
Yes.
Did anyone see anything different than 10?
I thought I saw 9, but I think it's 10.
Okay. So 9 or 10?
No, it's 10.
It's
I'm just
10?
the most depressed second grader
Okay.
So,
So, Tegan, do you want to explain how you saw 10?
well, I saw the 4 first,
Yeah?
and then I was going to the next page, and it kind of threw me off. But
Okay.
I saw the 4 on the top, and then I counted the 2 at the bottom.
Okay, so you saw 4 first,
Yeah,
and then you saw
the
what
top 4,
next? The top 4.
and then
And
I
then
panicked, and I counted the last 2.
Okay, so like that. And then that's how you got 10?
Yes.
Does anyone else want to explain how they saw 10? Yes, Chloe.
Okay, so I counted the 4 on the other sheet. Nope, the other one.
Okay, yeah.
And then I counted that there was 4 empty boxes in
Here?
the other sheet, and then I
Okay.
put them together.
Okay, so you saw 4 here first.
Yeah.
And you counted 4, and then you knew that there was.
Then I knew that there was 10 because there was 4 spaces and there was 4 dots.
Okay. Okay, so you knew that there was 4 spaces and 4 dots, so how did you get to 10?
I put the 4 dots from that sheet into those 4 empty spaces.
Okay, so you brought them over. Like this. And so on.
Yes.
Does anyone in their own words want to explain how Chloe saw it? Yes, Cam.
Math. She added 4 plus 6.
Okay, she added 4 plus 6, but how did she see it? What did she see first? Joey?
What Chloe did was she filled in the blanks. She took the 4 from the other side and filled them into the blank spaces of the page on the left.
Okay, great. Did anyone see it any other way? Alyssa?
I was pretty much panicking the whole time, so I just counted them all like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
So
9, 10.
completely
Yeah.
individual? Okay. Anyone have any other answers they'd like to share? No? Okay. So we're going to go to the next 2 cards. Don't mind that there's writing on this. Okay, everyone ready? Silent thumbs.
I got it.
No, that was too bad.
Oh, wait, no. I don't see everyone's silent thumbs, so I'm going to do it one more time.
Well played.
Anyone want to share what they have as the answer? Yes, Tegan?
12.
12. Anyone have a different answer than 12? No?
No.
So, anyone want to explain how they saw 12? Is that how I held them up? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're inversed right now.
Okay. Yeah, Joey, did you want to explain?
Oh, well, the way you were holding them up, they were the mirror images of each other. So I saw 6 was on one side.
Okay,
I
so like
knew-
this. Is that how they held up?
No.
They're back to back kind of thing.
If you flip that one
The same way you had it.
and then switch the spots.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the thickness was on the inside, the 2s were on the inside. Yeah.
Okay.
So I saw that they were mirror images.
Okay. So you thought they were like the same?
Yeah, that they were flipped, so it was 6 on one side and 6 on the other, so it was 12.
Okay. Anyone see it a different way? Mm-hmm.
I panicked again and counted all of them.
And the first time you
And
saw
I
it?
didn't. Well, the first time I saw it, I only could count one page because it was too fast.
Mhm.
And then the second time, I counted the other page, and I still didn't see the other one, so I still didn't know. But then the third time he held it up, I saw they were both the same.
Okay,
We're all,
so
we're all
count.
worried.
I'm really bad at math.
Okay, so some people saw it, same thing on both sides, knew it was 6 on each, and then Alyssa saw it counted by once. Anyone see it by anything else? Any other way? Yes,
I
Tegan?
grouped the big noodle.
You grouped this.
Because you held it together, I just saw the noodle. The noodle caught my eye.
Noodle caught your eye,
And
okay.
And then I
What a
counted the
smaller
last
noodle.
4.
Then you counted like 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, okay.
Big noodle.
That's why it was crucial how you held it.
Okay, cool. Anyone else see it any other way? Anything at all? No? No?
It's kind
Okay.
of scary.
Big noodle theory.
So,
So watch out for those big noodles.
last one.
Ooh, hard.
Everyone ready?
I was really nervous.
Because you never know.
Okay. So does anyone want to share their answer? Maybe someone that hasn't talked yet?
Sophia. Megan.
Yeah.
Called you out.
Well, I think I got the wrong answer.
Okay. There's no wrong answers.
Liar.
There was no wrong answer. I
Yeah,
got
math.
16.
You got 16? Okay. Did anyone get another answer? Julia?
14.
14?
I see that now.
Okay. Anyone get anything other than 16 or 14?
I'm not gonna lie, I got 482, but I didn't add them up. I just remember it was 482.
Okay. 482.
You got coordinates.
So Megan, when you first saw 16, how did you see it?
I saw it as 4, 4, 4, and 2. I just didn't add it right.
Okay.
Yep. This is sad, like, because I saw it the way I think it was supposed to be seen.
Yeah. And then you added.
You're missing a 4, Mia.
Oh.
Let's wait it.
So was it Cam that answered 14? Was it you? No, it was
No,
Julia.
That was me.
Okay, how did you get 14, Julia?
I saw like 3 different groups of like empty spaces that were each like 2. So I
Okay.
just did like 20 minus 6.
Oh.
This is so hard.
That's grade 3.
This is specifically grade 2 you guys are doing?
Yeah, this is grade 3, 4.
3-4.
No, it's grade 2.
Okay, it's grade 2.
You can edit
It's
this
cycle
out.
2.
I can hear you.
After cycle 1. Did anyone see 14 in a different way than Julia? Tanya?
I saw 4442.
Okay. so
Like
you-
that space,
Lazier than me.
like that space. I don't know. Help me. I didn't look at the blank. I looked at the dots.
So you added like 4, 4, 4, and 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you got to
It was
16.
easier that they were grouped together
Okay.
and not spread out randomly.
Okay. Alyssa, how did you see it?
I did like 4, 8, 12, like
Mm.
right away, and then the 1, 2.
Can you
I don't know why
like
I do that.
come up
Oh,
and
I'm sorry.
circle it?
Please speak English.
Okay.
Ooh.
Presentation.
Teacher's pet.
Yep. This was the same one.
Okay, so you added like 4, 4, 4.
And then 1, 2, yes.
Anyone else else see it differently?
What
Oh.
Thanks, Corey.
You're
The
the one
top
on
two.
top
Oh my
two.
god.
Yeah, it wasn't
Good job, Megan.
That's 16.
Megan's goofy.
Cam.
I did 4 times 3 plus 2.
That's what I did.
No, okay, that's not fair.
So you saw,
We don't know
you
that.
saw it as
That's just in
times.
grade 3.
So you did like 1, 2, 3, and then you like times it by 4, I guess.
Yeah.
You saw 4 times 3, yeah?
Yeah.
You
And
saw
then you
the
got
4
what?
dots times 3.
Plus 2. Plus 2. I got 12, and then 12 plus 2 is 14.
Okay. Cool. Anyone else see it a different way?
I should probably skip a grade.
I saw 4 blocks of 4, and then I
4 is
realized that
probably
there was only 2 at the end, so that it was 3 blocks of 4 and then 1 block of 2.
Okay. So how did you like add that in your head?
So I saw 4, 4, 4, and 4, and then I saw 16, and then I realized that I looked too fast and that I was making dots up. And so I took those 2 dots away, and I saw 4, 4, 4, so kind of like this, and then added the 2 and got 14.
So it was like minus 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's like
minus
16
okay.
minus 2.
So-
And the 2 minus the 2 times.
So 4 times 4,
4 blocks of 4, which
yeah,
got you to 16.
16, and then
But then you
minus
noticed,
2.
yeah. Okay.
That's 4 exponent 2 minus 2.
Anyone else to do it that way? Yeah. Okay. So from all the images we did together, when you saw it with Michelle and me, what are some things you observed, or that you like took away from this?
That everyone counts completely differently.
Yeah, that's really good. Anyone else think anything else?
Easy to make mistakes.
Easy to make mistakes, yeah. Anything else?
The patterns are a really big help. Like if there's something that you can see as an obvious pattern, you'll be able to count it faster.
Yeah, so what's another way of wording that instead of pattern? Like what could be another way of wording that?
Groups?
Yeah, so like grouping numbers. Tanya, do you have anything else to
No, I was
add?
gonna say exactly what Chloe said.
Okay, so different things we learned was like different people group numbers in different ways. And yeah, so everyone did a good job. Thanks.